We're Freaks, We're Geeks, and we're gonna go to the antique store. And we're making these videos so that way when we get older and we get bored, we can watch the videos.
Oh. What did you hit?
We can go back and watch the videos and reminisce. So, yes. We will see you guys soon.
Bobblehead. Look at the shot glasses. This is a shot glass. This is so cute. I think it is a shot glass.
Girl. Are they?
They look like it. This is porcelain. Earring.
Wow.
That's really annoying. I hate waking up to this. I'll put you back.
Where's Marco?
Is this a butter tray?
That is so scary to me.
The puppet?
Yes. Excuse me. Can you open one of these cases back for me?
What?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, it's 40% off. Oh wait, it's not focused.
How much is this?
Not focused. Here we go. It's so cute.
Why does this one low-key look like... This one? He looks like that. What's his name?
Peanut.
Yeah. Show them Peanut.
Peanut.
Stop the violence.
I'm not afraid to take a stand!
Nothing's working.
No, don't do that.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
We just got done at the store. There wasn't shit in there, but I got my little
Fat
baby.
baby. It's a fat baby.
And then we're about to go to a jewelry store for Sanaya.
We should go to the Labubu. Oh no, it's called Pop Mart. The Pop Mart for you, Giselle.
I'm not really into Labubus. I like Sunny Angels, but we tried to go to the jewelry store and it was a bus. There wasn't anything there, so now we're waiting for Aryanka to come so we can go to IKEA so I can get this little shelf to put my little trinkets on because I want to re-up my trinket collection.
Yeah.
Right.
Look, this is cute.
Would you have this in your room, Marco?
Nah,
Okay.
that's gay.
You're gay.
No.
Why?
That's why I said Sanaya do it. Look, this is cute.
Yo.
Get the thing.
Just. He zoomed in to the max.
I did not.
Yes, you
It was already
did.
like that.
I don't know what that is. I'm not gonna touch it. Got the racetrack. Thank you.
You're right.
We will return back. Nothing's happening right now. We found these. They're really cute.
There's a
Oh, it's like a
What is that?
like a value pack.
So many people. Okay, let's keep looking.
That's cute.
I was gonna say, you don't have to record the whole time.
Oh,
That looks like Minecraft.
it is. Minecraft the blanket. Sit, Marco. Sit. Sit. Stop doing that, bro.
Freaked out.
Marco won't sit. He's being disobedient. Oh, look.
Oh, I need a chair.
Ooh, I wish I had a house big enough.
This is a whole room.
This is a room. Wow.
Fat ass house shite, them titties, man. I'm looking for the latest bitches.
I'm trying to trip out, but it's not working.
Fat ass house shite, them titties.
Okay, I'm done.
Spell it. I just know
It's the first one.
this is, but I can't find it.
In showroom.
Where is the showroom?
I don't know.
It's in a showroom?
I don't know, bro. Michael said, look at the roof. Are you doing it? Stop.
Eat the fucking spaghetti.
Eat this fucking spaghetti.
Eat it. You know what it's for. Flip it the other way.
Oh. Will it even? No.
Yeah, it will.
Useless.
Oh, it's broken. Oh, why'd you just bend over like that?
There's fluff under your hands.
Sit down. No, don't bend over. Sit down.
Had to make sure I wasn't gonna fall through the floor.
Cheese.
Take this.
No, Marco, get in the picture with her. Get the fuck off.
Sorry.
Can you suck it?
Please.
Can you suck it?
What?
Succulent.
Can you suck it?
She's broken.
Can you suck it? Yeah, tell them what we just did at IKEA.
We were walking around trying to find some shelf.
Did we find the shelf?
We found the shelf.
Like this video.
So now
There's
what
the
are we
shelf.
about to do?
We're gonna go back to Jesus.
Why is my camera
Closer to
like
home
that?
so we can go eat. I'm starving.
Okay, so we'll be
All I
back.
had was bread at work. I love using the bread there.
Okay, we're back home. We went to go eat.
We didn't vlog shit. we
Yeah,
went to
but fill
Buffalo
them up.
Wild Wings. And me and Gigi got burgers. Marco got like Philly cheesesteak. And Ariana got a wrap. But yeah.
And now we're back home. Ariana went home. She doesn't like us. So should I install the thing or should we end the vlog?
Install what thing?
This. I got this thingy. So I can hang up my little things. Cause like, where's my baby? What the hell? Oh. I got trinkets. So the point of getting trinkets, or the point of having this, is because it's a mini shelf and you put your trinkets on here. But I think we should end the vlog here because I'm tired. So everybody say bye, freaks for geeks. Say it, Marco. Oh.
Bye.